Okay, so here we are again. We had some damage from Hurricane Irma, and I'm going to be repairing it. Looks like we've got some tab damage, just tabs that have blown up that'll need to be replaced, repaired. Definitely need to repair the ones with the seam. It's got the seam with the two shingles that's right on the tar paper. There's a cap that's broken, which we'll have to replace that tab, so I'll need to take that ridge apart just a little bit. Not major surgery, but can be. This is pretty close to the ridge there. Some onesies, probably a section, some more onesies. This is definitely the wind took some shingles up. Nothing we can't repair. So I'm gonna start out by just getting a count of tabs or even shingles, and that'll give me a better idea what kind of material I need. This is the west side. The hurricane damage came from the east, so this side, even though it still got damaged, wasn't too bad. So I'll start with this side. $18 tabs. So there's 3. So I'll just keep on counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 3, 8, 9, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 6, 7, 48, 49, 7, 8, 9, 100. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53. So it looks like I counted 150 tabs. Divided by 3, that's 50 plus shingles. That's at least 2 bundles, and I've got 3. So I should have enough, even if I take some of these wider, such as this one where I can only see 1 tab. I may have only counted 1 tab, but you can see this shingle's damage here, so I'm at least going to go 2 tabs over. This shingle's damaged here, so I'm going to take it out, and I'll walk you through all that.